When it comes to MagSafe accessories, functionality and design are key. The Pitaka MagEZ Grip 3 delivers on both fronts, offering a sleek, ultra-lightweight grip and stand that seamlessly integrates into your daily life. Whether you need a secure hold, hands-free viewing, or effortless switching between accessories, this versatile add-on is a must-have for any MagSafe-compatible device. The MagEZ Grip 3 is designed to enhance your day-to-day activities. Its secure grip ensures one-handed ease while preventing accidental drops. Need to record a recipe while cooking or navigate a map while driving? The MagEZ Grip 3 keeps your phone stable and accessible. One of its biggest advantages is its ability to attach and detach effortlessly. Unlike bulky phone grips, the MagEZ Grip 3 connects magnetically, allowing you to swap accessories or charge your phone without removing it. This makes transitioning between wireless chargers, car mounts, and other Pitaka accessories seamless and hassle-free. The Pitaka MagEZ Grip 3 is a game-changer for those who value convenience, style, and durability. With its seamless integration, strong magnetic hold, and versatile dual-ring stand, it enhances both functionality and aesthetics. Whether you're an on-the-go professional, content creator, or casual user, this accessory is the perfect companion for your MagSafe-compatible smartphone. If you're looking for the best grip and stand combo, the Pitaka MagEZ Grip 3 is an investment worth making. Get yours today and experience the ultimate MagSafe upgrade.